Everyone in the world knows I have a fucked up jaw, so when I touch my teeth together, my lips completely disappear. But my lips would look so nice if my jaw wasn't fucked up. Now here's my fucking dilemma. I never wear lipstick out in public because 1, I don't want to draw attention to my mouth. 2, if I forget to do this little pose, lipstick makes my white people lips look even more goofy. So today I want to practice some different lip techniques to see if there's anything that can give me the confidence to wear it out. First, I'm going to do what I usually do, which is overline slightly. A little bit of lip oil on top. Look how cute that looks when I don't close my jaw. But if I let my guard down and go into a relaxed position, let's try something else. What if I don't overline at all and just really accept what I got going? So here's how I look in my head. And here's how I look with my guard down. Okay, maybe this one isn't as bad. I mean, like, it's still bad, but that's just my face. I want to see how that looks with a darker color. Like, real dark. Little vampy moment. And I let my guard down. See, I hate that. I look like a meme that forgot to put her teeth in. Valuable info, though. If I go to an event, we gotta wear a light lip. How about this, like a stain? I just feel like it needs that definition with everything I have going on with my eyes. I'm stressed because I try to be positive and tell you guys who gives a fuck what anyone else thinks, wear the crazy makeup in public. But then I won't even wear lipstick because... But I know if I saw somebody else with the exact same condition as me, I would be like, wear the fucking lipstick, bitch, slay. I don't know. I hate being built like a Lego guy.